Greetings, welcome back to my channel. I was just working on this 1040ST-f and I put a new, it had a bad sound chip, so I took out the old sound chip, which was rough. It didn't want to come out, and put in a socket and put in a brand new sound chip. We're going to test that and make sure it works, and then when that repair is done, we're going to install TOS14 in this puppy. This has also been recapped, so I have good faith that this will work. So far, so good. You can see me. Messy workbench. Looks like it's working. Sound is working. I'll put TOS14 in this, and it'll make an excellent gaming machine. And I'm also using the ST, the hard drive emulator to test these. So I got another one coming, and this will have one on it. So, sweet! I love it when a plan comes together. Thanks for watching.